My wife wants a divorce from me.
But why? Don't cry like that. You look like someone accidentally opened the front camera.
Really, I am not handsome.
Handsome? You look like expired mayonnaise with a badge.
Larry, don't move. It's just a tiny prick.
Tiny? That needle's longer than my whole neck! You're not a doctor! You're a sword fighter!
Oh my God. That's my sweet.
Officer, I am innocent.
What are you doing here?
I'm a doctor. Come check if you're pregnant.
I'm not pregnant.
But that belly looks ready to give birth.